Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you don't want the search bar to be displayed on your Shopify site, I'll show you how to remove it. So let's go through the quick steps together. First of all, you have to access your Shopify account store. To do so, just go to your web browser and type in shopify.com in the search bar. After the website appears, click on login and choose enter your account credentials. If you haven't logged in yet or created an account, you can do so by entering your informations and clicking on login. Shopify store gives you a 3 days trial. Now, removing the search bar requires a small code adjustment. In your Shopify admin, go to online store here in the left hand sidebar, then select themes. After you select themes, click on the three dots next to customize here next to your current theme and select edit code. Here you'll find different files for editing, code editing. Search for header code, header.liquid. Once you find the header liquid file in the sections or snippets area, look for the search bar code, often labeled with form or input type search. Let's look for it. The code is pretty long, but if you just look for form or input type equals, then search. After you find the code, comment out or delete this code and save your changes. And that's it. Your search bar is now hidden from your store. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions about Shopify store. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.